Trading in the financial markets is not just about executing buy and sell orders, it is a complex psychological and strategic endeavor. One essential tool that can significantly accelerate a trader's growth and success is a trading journal. A trading journal serves as a valuable repository of a trader's experiences, emotions, and insights, offering a treasure trove of wisdom that can lead to better performance. In this video, we'll explore the importance of maintaining a trading journal and how it can significantly accelerate your journey towards successful trading. Emotional control. One of the greatest challenges traders face is managing their emotions. Fear, greed, and overconfidence leads to impulsive decisions and irrational trading behavior. A trading journal acts as a mirror, reflecting your emotional state during each trade. By jotting down your emotions at various points of a trade, you can identify patterns of behavior that may be detrimental to your performance. Learning from mistakes. A trading journal is like a personal diary that documents every trade executed. By carefully analyzing past trades, you can identify mistakes and missed opportunities. Understanding the reasons behind losses or missed profits allows you to avoid repeating the same errors in the future. By reviewing your journal regularly, you can identify common mistakes or weaknesses in your behavior and strategy. Whether it's executing trades too hastily or neglecting crucial technical indicators. Accountability. A trading journal keeps you accountable for your actions. When you document your trading decisions and their outcomes, you have a clear record of what you intended to achieve with each trade. This accountability serves as a powerful deterrent against impulsive and unnecessary trade entries and exits. By cultivating a sense of responsibility for our trading decisions, we create a solid foundation to overcome the temptation of overtrading. This essential mindset shift can lead to significant acceleration in our trading journey. Refine your strategy by tracking performance. A successful trading strategy is built on data and analysis. A trading journal provides you with a treasure trove of data on your trading performance. The insights gained from your journal can help you fine-tune your approach, optimize your trading plan, and potentially increase your profitability. A trading journal is not just a record-keeping tool, it is a powerful mechanism that fosters growth, learning, and self-awareness in traders. In essence, a trading journal is the compass that guides traders on the path to successful and consistent trading performance. Maintaining a trading journal is an invaluable practice that can elevate one's trading journey to new heights of achievement and mastery. In the upcoming video, we'll delve into the art of maintaining an impeccable trading journal that truly empowers your trading and accelerates your journey towards consistent profits. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our trading wisdom. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.